I just want to enable you to have the most unbelievably efficient, productive, and very beautiful cut flower patch. The whole basis of this course and the cut and come again patch is how to pick the flowers and picking them in the right place. It's the ever-filling cup. The more you pick, the more it flowers. I always try and pick kind of before 10 or after 5, and that really makes a difference to whether things flop or stand tall. I really hate giving up space to paths because it feels a bit of a waste, but if you don't, what happens, unfortunately, this plant grows over here, this plant grows over here, and if you don't allow enough space between, they merge. And then you don't then go into pick because you just feel like, oh, I don't want to tread on anything. And if you don't pick, these things stop flowering because the more you pick, the more they flower because they're cut and come again. And you've got to keep making them make auxiliary buds. And you only do that by harvesting. Learn how to create an incredibly productive cut flower garden with me, Sarah Raven.